This is a CBSE board previous year question, and whenever you are getting this kind of problem, always take the coefficient of x square, which is written as this one, and the constant term, and we have to multiply these values. So let's take root 3 and multiply minus of 8 root 3, that will be equal to negative of 24. Now we have to find two factors of negative 24 such that if I will add those values or subtract those values, it will turn out to be 10. So the two factors that we can find it here, which is 12, and we can take negative of 2. 12 minus 2, which is equal to 10. So here we will write it as root 3x square plus of 12x negative of 2x minus of 8 root 3, which is equal to 0. Let's take root 3x common. Here you will get x as the remaining value, and you will get here the value as 4 root 3. Now if you can say minus of 2x and minus of 8 root 3, we can take negative 2 common, and here you will get it as x plus 4 root 3. If you can observe, you are getting x plus 4 root 3 here and here. So what we can do? We can take the x plus 4 root 3 common again. Once you will take it as common, you will get the value of root 3x minus of 2 as it is. So that is equal to 0. So we can take the value of x, either it is equal to negative of 4 root 3, or you can get the value of x that is equal to 2 over root 3. These two answers that we are getting in this kind of problem. So every time whenever you are getting this kind of question, always remember you have to multiply root 3 and 8 root 3 to get the answer of this question. Hope you have understood this question. So if you have understood, please subscribe to my channel